So this is a continuation of part 3, hip bone. Now obturator foramen. Obturator foramen is a large gap in hip bone. So this is obturator foramen. In male it is large and oval, and in case of female it is small and triangular. So it is one of the important parameter for determination of sex, and it is closed by a membrane known as obturator membrane. This is obturator membrane except at upper part, which is known as obturator groove. So this is obturator groove or obturator canal, and this gives passage to obturator nerves and vessels. Now ossification. Hip bone ossify in cartilage by 3 primary centers and 5 or more secondary centers. 3 primary centers are one for ilium, one for pubis, and one for ischium. 5 or more secondary centers, they are 2 for iliac crest, 2 for tri-radiate cartilage in the acetabulum, and 1 for ischial tuberosity. And these secondary centers appears at the puberty. There are some other secondary centers of ossification, and these are one for pubic tubercle and pubic crest, one for anterior inferior iliac crest, and one for symphysis surface of pubis, and they ossify at the age of 16 to 25 year, particularly acetabulum at the age of 16 to 17 years, and the rest of the bone ossify at the age of 20 to 25 years. Now very important, that is sex determination by hip bone. You must know these 10 points to decide the sex. So first point is greater sciatic notch. It is narrow, about 50° in case of male, and wider, about 75° in case of female. Acetabulum is large in case of male and small in case of female. Chilotic line. What is chilotic line? Chilotic line is a line extends from iliac crest up to the iliopubic eminence. So this red dotted line shows the chilotic line, and it represents medial border of the ilium. It is having two parts. One upper one is the sacral part, and lower one is pelvic part. Okay. So in case of male, the pelvic part of chilotic line is smaller than the sacral part, but in female the pelvic part is larger than the sacral part, because in female pelvic cavity is larger as compared to male. Curvature of iliac crest is more pronounced in case of male, less pronounced in case of female. Iliac fossa deeper in male, shallower in female. Pubic crest shorter in male, longer in female. Lower border of ischiopubic rami more everted in male, less everted in female. Preauricular sulcus less marked in male and more marked in female. Ischial spine inturned in male and outturned in female. Obturator foramen is large and oval in male and small and triangular in female. So these are the 10 features for sex determination you must know. So this is all about hip bone. In next